Ooh, what time? It is. It's 8 o'clock. I'm gonna be late.
Hehe. Alicia, why? Dustley.
Oh my god, you scared me. Anyways, we're gonna be late at school. Girl, it's literally Saturday, RN. Oh. So what are we gonna do? I know we're gonna go shopping spree.
Girls' breakfast is ready.
We're coming, Mom.
Girls, do you like my cooking?
It's very good, Mom.
Yeah, I agree with Raphael. And also Mom, me, and Raphael are going shopping.
Okay, but PLS be safe, okay?
Great. Now let's get shopping.
Go buy at Shiki's store. It has cheap items that you can buy.
Sis, we gotta buy there.
Okay, let's go.
After 40 minutes of shopping.
Mom, we're home.
You're back. I'm so happy that you're safe. Come and eat dinner I made. You too, your fave dish.